Point Weather Report is sponsored by Anderson Plumbing, Heating and Air. Nobody wows clients like we do.
Probably a lot of little leaguers hoping the rain lets up for tomorrow.
Yeah, I can imagine it'd be kind of hard to play in this kind of weather. Well, thankfully the rain's not going to last forever. We're going to have a pretty rainy start to the weekend, but for now, sun is canceled. No more sun for now. I mean, right now we have a brand new flood advisory. That's for all the areas you see in green. That's the coastal communities. That's the valley neighborhoods as well. That started up just before 5 p.m. and that's going to run all the way until about 9:19 p.m. So that's just saying there could be pockets of flooding. So make sure to dig a soil on the roads. And if you see deep water, make sure to find another path around it. And at the same time, for the mountains, we have a wind advisory. That one started up at 6 p.m. and runs all the way through tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Now let's turn to the Pinpoint Doppler Live. It shows we still have a very solid spread of showers. We've seen so much activity so far, especially in North County. Looking at places like Carlsbad, already have picked up more than 3/4 of an inch, and the rain is not letting up yet. And we had a big update at 6 p.m. here in San Diego. Now we have more than 1/4 inch of rain picked up over the past 24 hours. That's a big change from when we started our show at 4 p.m. And now when we blow up the satellite radar, we take a big picture view, we can see this is a big atmospheric river slamming into us and dumping rain on Southern California. So travel anywhere north is going to be very tricky this weekend. Make sure to be careful. Many weather authorities are urging people to limit travel into many mountain communities that are still seeing those devastating winter storms. And although there will be parts of the state that are seeing more snow, it's not going to be in San Diego County. The storm is simply too warm for that. But we are going to see plenty of rain, the heaviest showers tonight into tomorrow morning, staying very cloudy, and we're eventually drying up on Sunday. But in between now and then, there are parts of the county that could see anywhere from 1/4 inch of rain all the way up to an entire inch. And we're seeing some places, especially in North County or in some of the mountain communities, that are already getting close to an inch of rain. So we're seeing some pretty big showers, and that's going to continue right throughout the night. You can see the next few hours, we're going to see some steady showers as our coastal and inland communities hang out in those upper 50s. And when we turn to our 7-day forecast, we can see that we're expecting rain again this week. So this is back-to-back atmospheric rivers. So I want to track when exactly we're going to see the rain throughout the week. The chance of rain stays pretty high for today. Starts to dip down as we approach Monday. But look what happens when we see Tuesday and Wednesday. That's that second atmospheric river that could bring some pretty heavy showers, especially Wednesday morning. But as far as things go for tomorrow, again, those showers aren't going to be quite as heavy as what we've seen today, but the chance of showers is going to remain pretty constant. We can see it staying anywhere from about 47% down to 24%, so expect more rainy weather tomorrow. We can see the same pattern with those inland communities, so get a little breezy tomorrow and Sunday. But of course, we have a wind advisory that's in the mountains. We could see wind gusts as fast as 50, 60 miles per hour over the next couple of days. Wednesday, when we see our next storm, those same windy conditions are going to come back. In the desert, we have to watch out for blowing dust, as they have wind gusts as fast as 50 for tomorrow and 45 miles per hour for Sunday. So we're going to finish out the weekend very cloudy and feeling a little damp. But at least before we have another storm, then the sun is going to come back Monday. So at least we can start the work week off without bringing our umbrella to work. Lindsay?
I like that. Thank you.